Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, you have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see who unfollowed you on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as well any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Instagram, and then you're gonna go ahead. So if you get a notification regarding any of the in your phone, like regarding the logins, anybody has followed you, you will get the notification, right? But if they unfollow you, you do not get. And that is for the security measures and for the comfort of users as well. Because let's say there used to be a user and you don't want to follow them, you unfollow them, and so it would be convenient for you to not to know them, right? That is it. That is the same for your account as well. But the thing is, if you go to your account and go to your followings, and let's say you have followed this person and you're damn sure that they have followed you as well, you can simply go ahead, tap on the profile, and if they had unfollowed you, it's gonna show this unfollow option right just over there in the following section. So that is one way for you to know, but it will take for you to go access all of the particular individual profiles one by one for you to know. So that is it, guys. That is the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.